Welcome to episode number 3 of the Fundamental of HTML. In the previous episode or episode number 2, you have learned how to create, how to save and how to run or compile an HTML. In this episode, you will learn about HTML tags. Before continuing to the video, there is a small request to everybody that please subscribe our channel. This will help us grow our channel, and after subscribing our channel, hit the bell icon to get notifications about the latest updates. So what are HTML tags? HTML tags, it defines the structure of the HTML page. So you can, before in the previous episode, I have said about what is markup. The full form of HTML is hypertext markup language, and what is the meaning of this markup? So markup means HTML. HTML is a language. You have already known it. HTML is a language, and it is a medium of communication between the browser and the programmer, and also the client. So markup means HTML. This browser don't know that this is a heading, this is a this should be in bold, and this should be in normal. So there are certain tags which defines this, that this word should be bold, this should be in normal, and this is a heading. These are defined by tags. And there are how many number of tags? According to W3 School, there are 89 number of tags in total. In the previous video you have, or in the previous episode, you have learned how to create an HTML file in Notepad. We use the Notepad to write the HTML files. The structure of the HTML is compared with the sandwich. There are two slices of bread, and between them there are the main ingredients. So these are called the opening tag, and this is called the closing tag. So it is compulsory. Every time you open a tag, you must close it, and between the tags you have to write the main parts. So the opening tag of the HTML is and every tag is written between this these brackets, these crocodile brackets, and or you can say anchor brackets. There are three parts of HTML. One is head. I'm opening the head, and then after opening the head I have to close it. I'm closing it. Closing is always done by giving a giving a slash. Giving a slash. First a anchor bracket, then a slash, then the tag name, and then closing the bracket. It is the closing tag, and here is the opening tag. So here is head, then there will be body, and this is not compulsory, but you can give it a foot. So in this three parts, the body part is the main part. This head part goes in the top of the browser. I will show you an example. Suppose in the head part you have to write the title of the web page. So suppose this is a test page, so I am writing test site, and in the body part the main ingredients will go. I'm keeping it in a separate paragraph, and in the foot part sometimes you write the terms and conditions part, and the copyright part that goes in this foot. So you can write that copyrighted, and in the body part the main ingredients goes. So here I will write a paragraph. So I will open the p tag. The p tag defines the paragraph, and also close it, and in between the p tag I will write the paragraph. Here I will write welcome to the test site. Here, as it is all as it is already saved as a HTML file, that I have shown you how to save it as a HTML file in the episode number 2 video. You can find the link in the above. Now I am saving it. I will save this normally this time, and I will open it in a browser. Here I am using Internet Explorer. And here it is. Let me show you opening it in Chrome browser, or you can use the Microsoft Edge. Any browser is a compiler for HTML. You know compiler, it is totally discussed in the first episode. So here is the heading, here is the body, and here is the foot. Now there are many types of tags there. This is one these three are compulsory. This head tag and the body tag are compulsory. Remember that every time you open a tag, you must close the tag, and whatever tag you write, you have to write within the HTML tags. These are the parent tags. And yes, talking about the parent tag, there is a hierarchy in this tag system, that these are the HTML is the parent tag, and head is the child of the parent tag, that is HTML, and head, body, and foot are the child tag of the HTML, and the paragraph, this paragraph tag is the child of the parent tag, this body. Now if inside the body I introduce another tag, suppose a heading tag h1, here I will write test site, then I will close the heading tag. Then this paragraph and this heading tag are called siblings. They are siblings of the parent body. And so you have learned about the paragraph tag and the heading tag in this episode. Heading tags are these are chronologically ordered, like h1 tag is the largest form of the heading tag, then there is h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. You can see the difference between the heading tags. This is heading 2, this would be heading 3, this is heading 4, this is heading 5, and this is 6. I have to change the closing tags to, sorry, this will be 5, this is 4, this is 3, and this is 2. So here I will write the test site, okay. Now I will save it. Now in the browser I will refresh the page, and you can see this is h1, this is h2, this is h3, this is h4, this is h5, and this is h6. So this is the difference between the heading tags. Okay, so you have learned about these tags. In the later video I will cover the other tags. There are many other tags like the anchoring tag, the image tag, there are many attributes too. You can in the first episode I have said to you that to design in an HTML page you have to use CSS, but you can design in HTML too. You can use attributes or the style tag to design in an HTML page, but I will tell you later that why CSS is used separately. So this is it. You can continue to the next episode. Thank you.